in its truest form, is not something we fall into. It's something we choose, something we build. It is slow, steady, sacred work. John and Darlene's love story began in the most modern of ways. A message sent, a profile liked.
Wow, your veil's so long.
John was moved by Darlene's compassion, not just towards him, but towards everyone she encountered. And Darlene, in turn, felt safe in John's presence. Their journey has taken them all over the world, from Oregon to Japan, LA, and now to Canada. But the most meaningful journey has been inward. They've learned how to navigate life not just individuals, but as partners. There have been moments of learning, moments of laughter, and moments of growth. Through it all, what has remained constant is their shared faith. For John and Darlene, God is not just an idea or a tradition, He is their foundation. Today isn't the beginning of something new. It's the affirmation of something already real, already strong.
John, I always trusted God had a plan for me, but I never imagined it would feel like this. Full of joy, laughter, and you. You're the only one I choose to stand here with, to promise forever and every day within it. I vow to put God and you first in my life. And should one day we are blessed with a family, my love for you will prosper even more in every part of that blessing.
Wow, babe. You made me fall in love with your kind, empathetic, and strong heart. I cannot wait for a future together. I vow to be the best husband, friend, lover, and person that I can be for you. Today, in front of God and all our family and friends, I vow to love you unconditionally, today, tomorrow, forever.
Now tonight we're gathered here in Canada celebrating our couple who live in America. Ladies and gentlemen, grab your napkins and twirl it in the air. Please join me in putting your hands together and make some noise for our newly wedded couple,